the youth population in Africa is the future. Your future factories, your future industries are going to need African hands. And you don't have a choice because we know how to produce babies. We just need to know how to educate them and prepare them for the workplace of the future. And so, as you all converge here today, I want you to interact, participate in seminars, learn new things, contribute, so that every year when we meet here, we'll have new ideas to share and new opportunities to advance engineering education.